Muthenya wa mbere wa gikaro kia mwanya kia ngwataniro ya One Kenya Alliance kiria kihariirio mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru kuroneka ta kuri na mweneni wa kwiguithaniria ciigie kurutithania wira na atongoria kuma ituri ngurani. Atongoria makiuga ona ni mehariirie kurutithania wira na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga.
Send out an open invitation that this is a movement that must move and move with everybody. We have called out our brothers from Mount Kenya region, from the coast, from the lake region, from northern Kenya, from every corner and nook of this country.
Easy time and always guided by the great future we all wish for our country and for our children and our children's children.
Makionania murugamo muhio wegie kwaga kurekereria kioneki kiao ya gukahitaitanira giturwa kiao president uyu ari mwe wa maria marafatie kwariririo gikaro-ini giki.
You watch this space, you'll see unfolding events that will capture the imagination of every Kenyan, and everybody will realize and know that this is the place to be, this is the team to be with, and this is the team to deliver.
Naona kuhana uguo uteti wegi itanya ria kiama kia ODM kwenda kuhamurithia muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano na miakanio IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni weyumiririe gukwa bunge aria mari thiini waoka makiuga atiriri ni ikinya ritari na matanya mega na uguo makauga wona ndereti ino ya temanio ni megukorwo magitigirira ni yagwa.
We are getting worried. Why at a time like this they want the removal of Chebukati? We are telling them, yes, bring it on. The law is very clear. You bring a petition in parliament. And we are going to defend Chebukati to the letter.
When people are moving forward, others are pulling others backward. We can't understand this game.
Ngwataniro ino no itanyitwo gukaheana mwerekera wa maundu matiganite muthenya wa rucio thutha wa kurikia kwaraniria na kamiti irahetwo wigiririki wa guthondeka mitaratara iria ikarumirirwo hari kuhariria ngwataniro ino ni undu wa githurano kia mwaka ukite.
Tukiwasihi wacha sisi tutawapatia taarifa yetu baada ya majadiliano yetu.
Our doors are open. We have invited like-minded people to join us, and I'm sure they will. In fact, we have a long queue of suitors who are waiting, so to speak, and we are engaging them at different levels.